Hello students. In this video, I am going to discuss about most important formulae of Science 1 for Standard 10th Maharashtra State Board. Here you can see the formulae associated with the chapter number 1, that is gravitation. The first formula, Newton's universal law of gravitation. F is equal to G m1 m2 upon d square, where m1 and m2 are the two masses separated by a distance d over here. So the force of attraction or repulsion between them is given by this formula. Then Kepler's third law. So actually there are three laws, but the third law has got a formula, that is T square upon R cube is equal to K, where T is a period of revolution, R is a radius, and K is a constant. Centripetal force F is given by mv square by R. So you can see over here, if anybody is revolving an object in a circular path, then its force acting on it, a centripetal force acting on it, is given by this formula, where m is a mass, v is a velocity, and r is a radius of the orbit. Earth's gravitational acceleration, small g, on the surface of the earth is given by capital G m divided by r square. Escape velocity on the surface of the earth is equal to under root 2 gm upon r. Now kinematical equations. See, these are the three kinematical equations. V is equal to u plus at. S is equal to ut plus half at square. V square is equal to u square plus 2as, where v is a final velocity, u is the initial velocity, a is the acceleration, s is the displacement, and t is the time. So these equations will change slightly when the free fall occurs. So in that case, what will happen? U is 0. Therefore, first kinematical equation will become V is equal to GT, because here U is 0 and A is equal to G. Second kinematical equation will become S is equal to half GT square, because U is 0. Therefore, the first term will become 0. Therefore, S will become half GT square. Third kinematical equation, V square is equal to U square plus 2as, will become V square is equal to 2gs, because here again U is 0 and A is equal to G. Now let us go for the next chapter, that is chapter number 4, effect of electric current. Here potential difference V is given by W upon Q, where V is a potential difference, W is a work done, and Q is a charge. So here you can see a resistor is connected across the cell over here. Now it will cause a current I to flow through it. Across this resistor you can measure a potential difference V, and you can measure a current flowing through the resistor with the help of this ammeter A over here. So this current is given by the formula I is equal to Q upon T, where I is the electric current, Q is a charge, and T is a time. The power dissipated in the circuit is given by P is equal to W upon T, where P is a power, W is a work done, T is a time. Fourth important formula, W is equal to V into Q. See, this formula is obtained by rearranging the terms over here. So W is equal to V into Q. Now Q is nothing but I into T. Therefore, this will become V I T. Now we will use Ohm's law. V is equal to IR. Therefore, this will become I square RT, or V square upon R into T. Similarly, another formula for the power is P is equal to VI is equal to I square R is equal to V square upon R. Students, please understand these formulae are really important, because based on this at least one numerical you are expected to solve. Now chapter number 5, heat. Here there are only two formulae. Q is equal to M into L, where M is a mass, L is a latent heat, and capital Q is the heat absorbed or given out. And another formula, Q is equal to M into C into delta T, where M is a mass, C is a specific heat, and delta T is change in temperature. See here you can see a graph for a water. See, initially the water is in the form of ice. When it has been heated up, then from the point A to B, both ice and water will exist simultaneously, but temperature you can see it will remain 0 till the entire ice melts and get converted into water. After that, you will find the temperature will start increasing from 0 and reaches up to 100. Now, hereafter, this temperature will remain constant till the entire water get converted into steam. So, this particular heat absorbed at a constant temperature is called as what? Latent heat. This will happen only when the substance changes its form. That is, it is either from solid to liquid or from liquid to gaseous state. In between, you will find what? For 1 degree rise in temperature, it will absorb certain amount of heat depending upon the mass. So this is called as specific heat. Now the next part is chapter number 6, refraction of a light. In the diagram, you can see there is a ray which is obliquely incident on this glass slab. After entering into the glass slab, it will change its path. That is called as a deviation. This is called as what? Deviation. And this is nothing but a refraction of a light. So when the ray of light travels from one medium to another medium, obliquely there will be change in the path. Similarly, when it travels from one medium to another medium, its velocity will also change. So there is a formula 2n1, where n is a refractive index. 2n1 means refractive index of 2 with respect to 1, which is equal to v1 upon v2, where v1 is the velocity of light in medium number 1 and v2 is the velocity of light in medium number 2. For 1 and 2, it will become V2 divided by V1. 1 and 2 will become what? V2 divided by V1. Let us go for next chapter. Chapter number 7, lenses. So here you can see a convex lens. In front of this convex lens, object has been placed beyond 2f1, and here you will be able to see its inverted image on the another side. So distance of this object from O, it's called as the object distance. Distance of the image from O, it's called as what? Image distance. So the first formula is 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 upon F, where V is the image distance, U is the object distance, and F is the focal length. Now magnification is given by H2 upon H1, where H2 is the height of image, H1 is the height of object. M, another formula, is equal to V upon U, where V is the image distance and U is the object distance. Now if I want to find out the power of a lens, then it is given by P is equal to 1 upon F, but where focal length is expressed in meter. Now if we combine two lenses, then we have a formula for the focal length as 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon F1 plus 1 upon F2. Now the next chapter will go for chapter number 10, Space Mission. Here you can see the satellite is revolving around the Earth in a circular orbit. Now for the satellite to revolve in a circular orbit, there is a tangential velocity called as critical velocity is very important. Now critical velocity's formula is Vc is equal to under root Gm upon r plus h, where r is the radius of the earth and h is the height of the satellite above the earth's surface. Now time required for the satellite to move around the earth is given by 2 pi r upon critical velocity. Thanks students for watching this video. If you like this video, then do not forget to share and subscribe the channel. If you are having any doubts, any difficulties, or if you are looking for any particular type of video, you can write it in the suggestion. So I will come along with some more videos like this.